Hey guys, what's up? Kirby Smith with Litespeed Construction. Mark, thank you so much for the work.
Sure thing.
We appreciate it. As our latest customer, what can you tell folks about the experience of working with Litespeed Construction and the uniqueness of it for you guys?
It has been an easy process for us. From first time talking to you, but you did some repairs for us before we replaced the roof, all the way through choosing our shingles, choosing what level of warranty we wanted, setting up the install, and then working with your crew. They showed up on time both days it took to get the roof replaced, stayed late, and when they left, everything was perfectly. You couldn't even tell that they had been here.
You know, one of the things I noticed, and I wish every customer got this information, we try our best, your yard is mowed nice and short. Maybe a little bit of weeding left to do, but we got
a little bit.
You got 2 kids, and thank you this guy for being the latest Litespeed Construction star. One time on top? Huh? Oh, well, he's a Titan. Look at that, my Titan's friend here. But yeah, I love the fact that we just were on par on the whole process, and you guys wanted this job done. You wanted it done correctly. We were able to get it done in a timely manner, and then, you know, you're able to kind of see what's going on, the videos and kind of the conversation, and us keeping you, you know, up to date on what you were consuming, and then afterwards, you know, maybe even some of the videos you're looking at kind of give you better information, because you obviously know what a faulty roof install can cause. From some of your experiences being an adjuster, you've seen those.
Yep.
And then work with your dad as an adjuster, and then, you know, from purchasing a home that maybe had a faulty roof on it, and well, did have a faulty roof on it.
Yes,
so,
it did.
which is why this was a good opportunity for me to pause and say, all right, 3 things that you got to look at on your shingles, and I hope our audience at home takes away a little bit here. 3 things: straight rows, nails placed correctly, and the other thing is having the stagger of the shingles get staggered correctly. So all those have been checked out. Your roof's got a clean bill of health, and hopefully it's there for you and your family, man, for a nice long time. Yeah,
we appreciate it.
Yeah, man, absolutely. We appreciate it. Thank you so much for the work. Thank you guys so much for viewing and getting to meet us, and we appreciate it.